still working on my friend's quarter-hour cuckoo clock. It's made in Germany. All the wires and everything to get it to work were not in it. There were no bellows in it. So I'm working on it, trying to get it to work properly. And I'm kind of using the Australians technique. And the bellow that's on the right, which is this bellow, has got this contraption right here on the German and the Australian clocks that when it lifts, this wire catches this wire, then the left bellow as it comes down touches this wire to allow this cuckoo to drop. The German's contraption is a little bit harder to design, and the Australian's contraption has got a counterweight right here, and the only thing that counterweight does is to bring this wire down to catch this wire. So I tried using a round sinker, and the round sinker kept getting in the way of the cuckoo, so I'm going to put this type of sinker on it, which is a line sinker. I can't think of the name of it, but anyway, it's different from the regular split shot sinkers. So I'm going to try using this as the counterweight, and this shouldn't get in the way of the cuckoo bird. The line sinker does its function. As the cuckoo comes up, the weight drops the wire to get caught, but I'm going to have to make another bellow because the only way this one functions is if I put some weight on it. You'll see there's a block of wood that I glued in there to allow for this piece of wire here, because this wire is really thin. This wood is really thin, and when I would attach this piece of wire to this thin wood, it broke off, as you can see underneath there. So I took it all apart and I put a block of wood in there. I think if I add more weight to the top, that will fix the issue. That will fix the issue of the bellow dropping to make noise. So I think that's what I'm going to try. Hope you all are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we'll come back after I got more weight on it and it back in the clock and see what happens. God bless.